Aw, yeah.
Hi guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing the Boxycharm unboxing for February. I finally got my box. I got this box a couple of weeks ago or last week. I've just been very lazy and I have not opened it, and it's kind of been killing me a little bit on the inside because I wanted to know what was in it, but at the same time I've been playing Stardew Valley and I just really haven't cared to film. So that's the tea on that. But finally got my box. I'm very excited to see what is in it and what the gist is for this month. Very dark. Alright, so when we open up this month's box, it looks like this. So they got rid of the card for some reason, which is kind of annoying. I like to know what I'm getting in each boxes and I like to know the prices, but they did send an email out with the card on it, so I'm going to quickly go find my phone. So I haven't really been following Boxycharm that much, so I don't actually know why they stopped doing these cards, but they did send out an email saying your virtual February card is here. So if anybody knows why they decided to switch, let me know down in the comment section below, because I have not looked it up. But it has all of my information on it, so I can tell you guys what the total price is. So when I open the box, I'm just gonna go to the very first thing that I see. The first thing I see is Evo Skin Aurora, so refreshing cleansing hemp wipes. So these are hemp wipes. So these retail for $10. So they are just like a facial cleansing wipe, so like a makeup wipe that you would use to take off your makeup. So they smell like bubbles, you know, like bubbles that you use outside, like giant bubbles. It literally smells like bubbles. I don't know how these are gonna react to my skin, on my skin. I have really sensitive skin, and a lot of makeup product wipes like this tend to irritate the crap out of me. Gently massage a single Evo Skin refreshing cleansing hemp wipe over face in a circular motion, taking care around the eyes. No need to rinse. For maximum results, follow with Evo Skin rejuvenating mask and revitalizing skin serum 2 times a week. So I have not heard of this brand before. I have never heard of these wipes before, but I will definitely give them a try. It says to avoid the eye area, or to be careful around the eye area. So I don't know if this would just be for your your skin makeup rather than your eye makeup. Maybe it's just saying to be careful around your eyes. So it has cannabis sativa seed oil in it, and it's a balancing, multifunctional, anti-fatigue wipe. So that's really interesting. These retail for $10. I will try them out in the future as I'm not taking off my makeup right now. So the next thing that I see is from the brand Ciate. So we recently got a Ciate brand, I think it was Ciate blush in our Boxy Luxe box, and now we have a coconut setting powder. So now I have 2 of the products. I'm actually giving this product away just because I don't use blushes. I'm giving it to my friend Morgan, but I haven't shipped your shit yet. Ha, sorry. So this is a setting powder. I'm not really big on setting powders just because I have really dry skin. The setting powder that I usually use is the Becca Cosmetics water. It's like the Hydra Mist powder, because it literally feels like you're putting water on your face when you use it. And I like that. But I'm not really big on powders. I usually just use setting spray just because I tend to have way too dry of skin. Oh yeah. This is a coconut setting powder. Do you smell like coconut? It does, it smells like coconut. Oh, that smells super good. Okay, so this is from the brand Ciate, and this retails for $22. So it is a lock in your makeup for long-lasting wear with Ciate London's Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. Delicate coconut fragrance to take you back to your beach vacation every day. This finely milled and lightweight loose powder smooths over makeup for a crease-free, soft focus finish with no flashback. Okay, so they're claiming that this has absolutely no flashback, and they are claiming that it does not crease in your lines. So I will definitely try this out in the future, but this is what it looks like. The packaging is actually very cute. It's very simple. It just has a little bow on the top, which I think is adorable. And for $22, that's actually not that bad of a price point for a setting powder. So I will definitely try that out in the future. So that's pretty cool. So that retails for, I said it already, $22. So we are at $32 so far. So for 2 items, that's not too bad. That's basically the entire price point of the box, which is why I love Boxycharm so much. So the next thing that I see is Facial Radiance Pads. So help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. So we got 2 cleansing products. this month. One is a Refresh Cleansing Hem Wipe and one is a Facial Radiance Pad to help exfoliate and tone. So this is First Aid Beauty. So this is a daily treatment pad that contains the right amount of lactic and glycolic acids to safely and effectively exfoliate, tone, and brighten all skin types. Regular use on these pads will smooth the skin texture, providing the perfect canvas for a flawless makeup application. Okay, so this one is this is a cleanser, and this one is to help exfoliate, tone, and brighten before you put your makeup on, and I guess this one's going to be after you take your makeup off. So that's kind of interesting. I've never heard of this brand before, but I will definitely try it out. Again, like I said, with this product, I have very sensitive skin, so I don't actually know if either of these products are going to be okay on my skin. I will give them a try, but I don't know if I'll like them. White pad across both your face and your neck, once or twice daily after cleansing. So this will be your cleanser, I guess, cleansing pad, and this is what you're gonna use after. So that's kind of cool. This retails for, did I say already? So this retails for $16. So we are at, pull up my calculator. So 32 plus 16. So we're at $48 so far, so that's not too bad. So between the three products, we have two basically cleanser exfoliating items and a powder. So the next thing that I see is a brush set. So this is the Alamar Cosmetics Complexion Brush Trio. So this vegan and cruelty-free 3-piece brush set comes complete with a complexion brush, bronzer brush, and a brightening brush. So like a highlighter brush, I guess. It's suitable for all skin types, delivering a flawless finish, and these retails for $36. So these are actually really cute. I'm gonna leave them in the packaging for right now because I don't really need another brush set at the moment. I have way too many brushes on the go already. So I might give this away to one of you guys in a future giveaway, but it is really cute. It is a kind of like a copper color packaging, almost rose gold, but a little bit darker, and they're actually really pretty. These brushes are really, really cute, but I really just don't need them, so I'm gonna put them to the side. And those ones, did I say already what it retails for? I'm half asleep. So those retail for $36. So not too bad. We are at a total of $84 now, so that's pretty cool. And the last thing that I see is a foundation. So I don't actually know if this is going to be my color or not. I don't think it will be because it says on the packaging sand, and I'm not sand. So I don't think they sent me the correct shade. Maybe. This might be my color. I've never used Becca's foundations before. I've just used their powder, and like I said, I really like their powder. But this foundation, I believe it is fairly expensive. It feels very expensive. So this is a $44 foundation. It is very, very heavy. It feels really, really nice. It kind of feels really luxurious. So it's a 24-hour foundation. Let's see what it says. Foundation redefined, ultimate coverage and breathable cream. A perfectly balanced distribution of pigment and water at high concentrations allows the formula to adapt to all skin types. Lightweight and oil-free, it creates a second skin effect of undetectable, flexible coverage with a natural long-wearing finish. So let's pray that this is going to be my color. From the bottle, it looks like it might be, but reading from the packaging, that's when I was kind of scared because it said sand, and those have never been sand before. So let's give it a go. It's not my color. It is way too dark. You guys can't really see on camera, but it is absolutely way too freaking dark, and I'm not going to be able to use it. So that's really disappointing. Yeah, I might be able to mix it into another foundation maybe in the summertime, but as of right now, I'm way too pale for this foundation. I definitely would have needed a shade a little bit lighter. Yeah, it might be okay for the summertime or if I had a fake tan, but as of right now, it is way too dark for my skin tone. The more I look at it, the more like I could probably make it work if I mixed it into a lighter foundation. I could probably make it work, but as of just a foundation on its own, it is way too dark. So that's a little bit disappointing. So that retails for $44, but that is also the problem with ordering foundations online and getting foundations in subscription boxes like this is you never know, like you could think that this is going to be my exact perfect color just looking at the computer screen or my phone screen, but then as soon as I get it in person, I realize that it's way too dark. Kind of reminds me of like when I was in junior high when I would try to use foundations that I thought were my skin color because I didn't know how to match foundations at all, and I would end up with a line of orange on my neck. I was definitely not as tanned or whatever as I thought I was. So unfortunately this foundation is just a little bit too dark for me. I may be able to use it in the summertime or if I mix it in with another foundation, but as it stands right now, it is too orange kind of based on my skin tone. It's definitely not the right color for me. So I'm gonna put it to the side. I may give it away to a friend that it might match a little bit better, or I may just wait until the summertime just to see if my complexion is a little bit more tanned, and then I can use this. But as of right now, in the middle of February, definitely not. It's too dark. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera. It's just too orangey on my skin tone. It's definitely not the right color. But that was everything that I got in this box. So let's total that up. So once I add in the foundation, we get a total of $128. So this is a really awesome subscription box if you are looking for skincare items, if you're looking for makeup removers, if you're looking for foundations. This is the first time we've gotten a foundation in the box since I've had it. I've had it for 2 years. So that's really cool. I think it's really awesome that they sent out different products for us to try. I really like the fact that we got a powder and a foundation in this month's box, and I really like the fact that we also got a brush set. So this month's box was actually really great. I didn't really like the fact, obviously, like I said earlier, that we got 2 cleansing kind of products, exfoliator, facial, whatever, pads. I didn't really like that, but at the same time, other people probably would. I really wish this foundation had been the correct tones for me, but it's definitely not. But that's not the end of the world. I can give it away to a friend or figure out, I don't know, we'll see. It's my own fault, again, for looking at the screen and thinking, hey, this is probably gonna match me, when it definitely didn't. I believe Boxycharm actually sent out a sample for us a couple of boxes ago, and I never sent mine, or I never tested it because I didn't really understand what it was for. It was just kind of like a sample of Becca Cosmetics foundation. I didn't really think much of it, and that was probably to figure out if any of the tones that they were going to send you was going to be correct. But oh well, it is what it is. Maybe in the summertime I can make it work, but as for now, too pale. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye!